Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This week we're continuing with part 2 of my new diorama that I'm building for a private client. Let's light it up! So before we start assembling the basic structure, I've noticed from watching the previous video that some of the windows were not perfect. So I've decided to fill the hole with some wood filler and then sand it down so it looks perfect. And now it's time to start assembling the basic structure so we can wire the electricity later. For the lighting, I'll be using this Gobi LED strip. It's super easy to use. It comes with a dimmer, it's self-adhesive, and you can cut it to the length that you want. I've drilled some holes in the walls so I can lace it behind it, so you won't see it anyway because it'll be hidden by the diffuser. For the next step, I have to drill some very precise hole in the structure so I can wire the electricity in. so I'll need the help of my good friend Luke because he has a drill press. It is now time to assemble the walls with the base. So there you have it. The garage portion is almost done. In the next video, we're gonna start with the showroom section. In the meantime, if you really want to buy the LED strip that I used in this video, just click the link in the description down below. My name is Chris. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye!